everyone, I'm Meg Risdal, a product manager on Kaggle's team, and I'm here with François Chollet, the creator of Keras. We're here to tell you about a new integration between Keras and Kaggle's Model Hub.
Thanks for having me, Meg. So the new Kaggle Model Hub is a great resource for ML practitioners, and I'm super excited to show you how you can use it to discover pre-trained Keras models on Kaggle.
Cool. So will you tell us, what is the new integration?
It's a new integration that makes all Keras models from Keras CV and Keras NLP discoverable on Kaggle models. It also makes them usable in Kaggle notebooks when you're doing a Kaggle competition with no internet access.
Okay, that's great. I'm working on a competition right now. So if I want to use Keras in a Kaggle notebook, how does it work?
It's super easy. So let's start by opening up a Kaggle notebook.
Great. So I've got my notebook here to train a classifier on this playground competition to classify tweets. I have the data all prepped right here.
Great. So now just import the Keras NLP library. Then load the model you want to use using from preset. All of our built-in presets, like Distilbert, for instance, they are now backed by files on the Kaggle Model Hub. And the same will work with a Keras CV model, for instance, if we are doing an image task.
This is so easy, and I see that the model's now attached to my notebook session. That's it?
Yep, that's it. So once you have the model loaded, you can use it just like any other Keras model. But there's two key benefits that you get with this integration. So first, you can now use these models even when internet access is disabled in a Kaggle competition. And second, now, every Keras model has a dedicated page on the Kaggle Model Hub that includes documentation about the model and aggregated community usage. And the best part is that if you were already using Keras NLP or Keras CV before, there's no change necessary. Your existing code is just going to keep working with the new files.
This is fantastic. But normally I'm an R user, so I could actually use a little bit more help to get started with the model and with Keras.
Sure, that's easy. So open up the model from the right pane in the editor, and you'll find all of the documentation and also any other notebooks using this model that the community has shared publicly.
Awesome. So this is great. I can see, if I scroll down, I can see the documentation, including code snippets for the variant that I'm using. And then if I look at the code tab, I can see that there's already examples from the community that can help me get started as well. This is going to help me so much to continue to build out my classifier.
Glad you like it. I think this integration is going to be a really nice resource for the Keras and Kaggle communities.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for joining to share this integration, François.
My pleasure. Thanks for having me.
And thank you to everyone who's watching. We hope you found this demo helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comments below.